Would you like to learn ancient beauty secrets to keep your skin soft, youthful, and incredibly beautiful? Would you like to be empowered and earn money doing what you totally love? Couvrez Organic Skincare Nigeria is hosting a beauty workshop that promises not only to empower the Nigerian woman, but to teach you beauty secrets that could totally change your world. Get beautiful and make money. It's a win-win. So what are you waiting for? Register for this awesome masterclass today.
So I'm super excited to be bringing to you the Couvrez Natural Fairness Training. Now, why have we called this course the Natural Fairness Training? In all honesty, we are very aware about the fact that a lot of people have uneven skin tone, and so this course is addressing that issue and more. Now, it's addressing the issue from the standpoint where we can actually achieve a more even toned skin, not skin bleaching, not all those nasties, because you have to be very careful what sort of ingredients you put on your skin as well as the chemicals, because skin bleaching is very dangerous to the skin. It can give you issues like skin ulcer, blisters, dermatitis, up to skin cancer and kidney disorders. So we have to very deliberately begin to move away from skin bleaching and begin to approach our skin from a more naturalistic and organic perspective. The reason why we've called it the natural fairness is because we're using a lot of techniques from Asia, from India, from the Far East to achieve that even skin tone in our skin type without damaging our skin. It is to empower women with hand skills to know how to make these beauty products at home for your personal use. And if you want to take it one step further by creating a business or a skincare line out of it, it's really all up to you. But the beauty about this training is we're not just going to be learning how to make body scrubs, face masks, foot scrubs. It's really a head to toe beauty training for the woman of color. We're also going to be teaching how to make hair butters, because a lot of us also suffer from hair loss. We also suffer from hair breakage, and a lot of us have used weaves, braids, and wigs to hide our hair. I used to be one of those people who hides their hair because I had a lot of breakage after the birth of my second child. But with a lot of research and a lot of experimenting on different types of hair butters, we were able to come up with the hair aspect of this course, which would teach on how to create hair butters that are nourishing to your hair, make your hair grow healthier, grow out your edges, make your hair retain length, as well as give you that bountiful fullness to your hair. I've been so excited about my hair because I totally lost all my confidence when my hair was breaking. So this is an entire beauty training for the woman of color. You can't miss this training. The Couvrez Natural Fairness and Beauty Training is going to be addressing all of the concerns and needs we have concerning our skin and our hair as the woman of color. It is a training that is going to be a one-day intensive training, but we do have a lifetime of support. Our students are always welcome to reach out to us if there are any more questions or even consistency in your product formulation. We're proud to say we're one of the first that started skincare and beauty training from an organic perspective. We started in 2010. We've conducted beauty trainings in Lagos, Harare, and in the UK as well. So we hope to see you during this next training. It is a training that would create and restore that confidence you have in you. And as I said, if you're going to be creating your own line of skincare products, we're also going to be delving into the beauty aspects on how you can create your line of products with the range that we're going to be creating on that day, how best to brand your business. We also have technical support when it comes to how you can create your labels, how you can do your business branding, how you can get ingredients and suppliers that have authentic, natural, quality ingredients, so that doesn't compromise the quality of your product and what you'll be churning out to your immediate community of women. ladies, do not miss this training. I've also had a few guys joining the training, but predominantly this training is always for women, because we also have the networking session at the end of the training, which encourages women to come together and exchange contact information, because we're not just building a community of skincare and hair care formulators, we're also building a community of women who are like-minded and business oriented. So we hope to see you there.